War day number 791. 791 days ago, the war started in Ukraine, and everything has been changed in the world. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle. The third regular puzzle it's a binary puzzle in today's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, April the 24th, 2024, and I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4-star Sudoku. It's time now for the binary puzzle. Yes, binary time, and this one will be number. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not all, otherwise it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. This one will be 8418. And before I start, wow, there's a lot of O's, zeros. This one will be 8418. Before I start, I always kind of print the digits, 28 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 O's and 5 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double O's. Double O. Here one, there one. 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 Double O, here one, there one. Then double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. And then double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. So the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. And between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. And then between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Between the O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Between the O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. If I place number 5, the 5th 1 here, then we still have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is number 5. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. Yes. Number 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. Yes. Alright, and now. Now. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4. And an O between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between us. Always an O and a 1 there, but they do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. That box should be a 1 then. Number 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes a 1. Here we have 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 1s in a row in the first row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Okay. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Number 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, time for comparing. Time for comparing. 4. Yeah. We have 2 rows, 3, 4 rows, and 4 columns. Well, let me see. Let me see. We have here double 1 here. Okay. Oh no, it's not the same. Double 1. Oh, 1. No, cannot compare this one. How about this one? Double O. Here, no, it's not the same. Double O, 1. Not the same here. Double O. So I cannot compare these 2 columns. How about one of these rows? 10. No. 101. Here. This row and the first row. 1, 1. Sorry, again. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. Empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have 1 here, this should be an O. We have O here, this should be a 1. The 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Alright, now these 2. Question is the columns or the rows? Let me see, 101. We have a 101 here. Yeah. This column and that column. Alright, let me compare. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Empty box, 0, 0. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have O here, this should be 1. We have 1 here, this should be no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1 here, no, there no. Finished in 8 minutes. Well, we solved it again. And I like this one, yes, I really do. If you think so, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again in the evening with other 4 puzzles in additional. Until then, bye-bye for now.